Paradigm Group, delivering step-change efficiency innovations for the upstream energy industry. Paradigm Technology Services introduces ParaWinch. ParaWinch innovations redefine standards for wireline winch performance, safety, and cost efficiency. ParaWinch is based on a computer-controlled all-electric drive and is available in two versions, XS and XL. The XS is an ultra-compact single-drum unit. The XL is an enclosed dual-drum cabin configuration. Both types are available in all certification levels. The step change in safety and performance for ParaWinch over existing designs is significant. ParaWinch's instantaneous response gives extremely fast stop capability, driven by operator-defined parameters. This dramatically increases safety and improves service quality by virtual elimination of line break. Overall safety functionalities include advanced safety to prevent overpull or other unsafe situations, elimination of diesel engine and hydraulic oil, remote rig up, simplified controls, automated spooling, intuitive control interface, job performance monitoring. For overall performance, ParaWinch sets the new industry standard for ultra-precision, safety, and control. These include ultra-slow constant logging speeds down to 0.1 foot per minute, automated speed and constant tension control, programmable logging operations, automated jarring which no human can replicate. Both XL and XS versions have digital/analog depth, tension, speed, visualization, run line tension prediction, line history and fatigue monitoring, real-time communication for operational support, ergonomic design. ParaWinch provides cased hull wireline services with a reduced footprint and reduced unit and rig-up costs, and minimized crew requirements. Using ParaWinch cuts non-productive rig unit changeouts. Paradigm's innovative transformational technology makes a step change in well service operating efficiency and value. Please check out more of our innovation technologies at www.paradigm.eu.